Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put this dog mom design that I made in Illustrator onto a t-shirt using my Cricut machine and some heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to go up to File, Export, and export as a PNG. And then I'm going to make sure that the artboard button is clicked on. I'm going to rename it and save it where I want to. And then hit transparent background because this is key for Cricut Design Space. I'm going to now launch my Cricut Design Space and upload my file, and then click the upload button, click upload image and browse, and then find my file. So once I've opened the file, it's going to ask me which image type it is. So I'm going to hit moderately complex, hit continue, and then continue again. And then I'm just doing it as a cut image. We're not printing it. So then upload, and then click it again. And then insert image. And then I'm going to resize it to the size I want it to be. So this is what it will look like. And then after it is uploaded, I'm going to hit make it. And then this is where the software will show you exactly what your mat will look like and where it will cut on the vinyl. So I'm going to set up my vinyl now. The material I'm using is heat transfer vinyl, which has a shiny side. This shiny side needs to be face down on the mat. So I'm going to set this up. My mat isn't as sticky as it used to be. I need to clean it. So I'm going to use some painter's tape to hold down the material. Now that my mat is ready to go, I'm going to go back to my computer and hit make it. And then hit the mirror button, which reverses the image because we're using heat transfer vinyl. And then I'm going to hit continue. And then once I hit that, I'm going to make sure that my material selection is set to iron on. Now I'm going to load my machine with my mat, and I'm going to hit the load button, and it's going to read my mat. And then once that is ready to go, I'm going to hit the C button, and the C button is going to start cutting the material just like this. So once it's done cutting, this will blink. You just hit this button and it will unload the mat. So now I'm going to weed the vinyl using my weeding tool. Now I'm going to set up my heat press, and based on Cricut's website, it states to set it to 330 since I'm putting this on 100% cotton. So I'm just setting up my machine, and it also states to put it on for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to set up the amount of time as well, just so it's ready for when I'm ready to use it, so it will warm up. Using my heat press, I'm going to press out these wrinkles in the shirt and make sure that everything is flat for when I press on the design. Now that my design is set up, I'm just going to use some parchment paper to protect the shirt when pressing. I'm going to flip my shirt and press the back for 15 seconds as well. Now that the design has cooled down, I'm going to peel off the transfer. This is what the design looks like on my shirt. If you're interested in this file, my Etsy link is listed below. I also have it in a sticker form, which is listed in my Redbubble store, which is also listed below. Thanks for watching this video today. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.